In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up billing and payments in Google Ads. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to efficiently manage their advertising budget on Google's platform. Whether you're running a small campaign or handling multiple accounts, having your billing set up correctly ensures a smooth operation. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the Google Ads website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads. This is where you'll be accessing your ad accounts and managing your campaigns. Once the page loads, you'll see various options and information about Google Ads. We're focusing on getting into your account, so go ahead and locate the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, you'll need to create one. Once signed in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. This dashboard is your control center for everything related to your advertising campaigns. Now we're going to focus specifically on the billing setup. So on the left hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the one labeled billing. It might be tucked into a drop down menu if you're using a smaller screen, but it's typically right there where you can easily find it. Click on billing and it will take you to the section where you can manage your payment options. In the billing section, you'll find a tab called Payment Methods. This is where you can review your current payment settings or make changes if needed. Click on Payment Methods and the page will update to show you any payment details you currently have on file. If you haven't added any yet or you want to update or change your payment methods, this is the right place to do it. To add a new payment method, which is crucial for setting up your billing, simply locate and click on the ADD Payment Method button. This will prompt a form where you can enter your payment details. You have options ranging from adding a credit card to setting up a bank transfer. Ensure you enter the correct details to avoid any interruptions in your campaign due to payment issues. Carefully review your information to ensure accuracy and then save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up billing and payments in Google Ads. Remember, managing your payment information properly is key to running seamless campaigns. Keep your details up to date and always ensure there's an active payment method on file to avoid any pauses in your advertising activity. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy advertising!